Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitra Ashar, and I want to explain about Sultan Hasanuddin. But before I explain about Sultan Hasanuddin, let me I explain about storyline. My storyline. My storyline is the first is biography and story of name Sultan Hasanuddin. The point is the Muhammad satu malombasi dai matawang karaing bonto ngape. And Sultan Hasanuddin tumananga ribala pangkana. And the Hans Van Have Eastern or Indonesian is ayam jantan dari timur. And the second my storyline is a story of Goa Kingdom and Belanda. The point is the glory of the Kingdom of Goa and Goa Kingdom defeats and VOC trade monopoly. And the third my storyline is the VOC and Sultan Hasanuddin. The point is the conflict between VOC and Sultan Hasanuddin, and VOC attack Makassar. And the fourth my storyline is the Bongaya argument. The point is the Bongaya argument background and the content of the Bongaya argument, and the last is the impact of Bongaya argument. Muhammad Bakir satu malombasi dai matawang kareng bontong ape as the name given by the Qadi Islam of the Sultan of Goa, namely Sheikh Sayyid Jalaluddin bin Ahmad Bafaki Al-Aidid, Mursyid of the Bahanur Bawi Congregation of South Sulawesi, who is also his teacher, including the teacher of the congregation of Sheikh Yusuf Al-Makassari. Sultan Hasanuddin was born in Makassar on January 12, 1667. He was born to Sultan Maling Kusaid, the 15th Sultan of Goa, with a Sabetomo Lakuntu. His leadership period has stood outside childhood. Besides being known as a smart person, he is also a trading that why he has a good trading network to Makassar, even the foreigners. Small Hasanuddin received religion education at the Bontoala Mosque. Since the childhood, he was often invited by his father to attend important meetings in the hope that he could absorb the knowledge of diplomatic and war strategy. After embracing Islam, he got an additional title Sultan Hasanuddin Tumilia Ribala Pangkala, only better known as Sultan Hasanuddin alone. When entering the age of 21 years, Hasanuddin was murdered by Goa's defense affairs. Sultan Malingku said he's been to net so that his kingdom is forward by Sultan Hasanuddin. Sultan Hasanuddin was given the nickname Ayam Jantan dari Timur by the Netherlands because of the conrek possessed by Sultan Hasanuddin. History of Goa Kingdom and Netherlands or VOC. Goa is a kingdom and the sultan based in the area of South Sulawesi, precisely in South Jazira and the western peninsula coast. which is the majority inhabited by the Makassar tribe. The core area of the former kingdom in now under Goa Regency and municipality of Makassar and Takala Regency at this time. In the early 14th century, the kingdom of Goa reached the peak with the kingdom of Talo around 1511 to 1669, when this kingdom held military hegemony and trading on the earth's region of Nusantara, including most of the Sulawesi, several parts of Maluku and Nusa Tenggara. In the process of being a maritime empire, the Kingdom of Goa developed various innovations of the fields of government, economic, and military. Drastic to socio-cultural change also along with the breaking of the relationship between the Kingdom of Goa and the outside world, especially entered the Kingdom of Goa adopted Islam as the official religion at the beginning of 1607. The defeat of the Kingdom of Goa in the Makassar occurred in 1669 resulted the release of the territory of the Kingdom of Goa outside South Sulawesi, where a small part in the territory was given to the VOC. Even so, the Kingdom of Goa remained as an independent country until the early 20th century, when the Dutch colonial government defeated Goa in the South Sulawesi expedition and made it a colony. In the middle of the 17th century, the Netherlands Company or VOC tried to monopoly the trade of price in Maluku after successfully holding a calculation with the Spain and Portuguese. The Dutch company forced the people to sell at the price set by them. Besides that, company told the nutmeg and clove trees in several price, so the price down too much. So Sultan Hasanuddin refused the will because such as contrary to God's will, he said. The wider the territory of the Makassar Kingdom caused altered the shipping activity through the Flores Sea to stop at the center of Makassar Kingdom. Thus, the Dutch upset Sultan Hasanuddin because Makassar's power proved Maluku, which the Dutch territory whose center was Ambon. The presence of the VOC, which the already in power in Ambon, was strongly offset by Sultan Hasanuddin. War often arose because of the war between Makassar and the Netherlands. The war against the VOC in Maluku area. The Maluku area led by Sultan Hasanuddin and the Dutch troops in Maluku were successfully crossed by him. But in 1660, the VOC attacked Makassar but had not success in controlling the Kingdom of Goa. Then the VOC attacked again in 1667 and success in winning which forced the Sultan Hasanuddin as king of Goa to sing the Bungaya Argument on November 18, 1667. The Kingdom of Goa is located in the middle of the bustling shipping and trade traffic between Western Indonesia and Eastern Indonesia. This kingdom became the center of communication between Java Island, Kalimantan Island, and the Maluku Island, which became a spice paradise. This factor made the Dutch East Indies Trading Partnership want to control and monopolize trade in this region. The VOC desired to control the space trade in the archipelago, always sparked conflict against the people in the area in visit. One area that was offset to pressures of the VOC was Goa in South Sulawesi, which was occupied by the Kingdom of Goa. The VOC tried to weaken the Goa Talo Sultanate because the Sultan had a very strong military power, so it had to be watched the monitored more closely than other VOC enemies in South Maluku. In addition, the Sultanate of Goa Talo also has a very strong trading economy power. The Sultan has a international trading port located in Somba Opu. The following is contents of the Bongaya Argument, which was very detrimental to the Goa Talo Sultanate. Makassar recognized the VOC monopoly, with the area being lowered down to Goa only. Makassar must pay compensation for war in the form of crops to the VOC every year. Hasanuddin must recognize Arumpalaka as the king of Bone. Goa is closest foreigners other than VOC. The Axis had to be destroyed except for the Rotterdam. The contents of the Bongaya Argument actually had to be signed because of the success of the VOC politic of fighting against Arumpalaka, who still held a grudge against the Sultans of Goa Talo. Although it is called a pastry, instantly makes the losing party suffer losses. Meanwhile, Sultan Hasanuddin and his troops fled and died in 1670. Until now, Sultan Hasanuddin is known as the bravest hero of Makassar. Sultan Hasanuddin fought not to compete with the Dutch on June 1, 1669, resigned as the 16th king of Goa after nearly 16 years of fighting the invaders On Thursday, 12 Juni 1670, Sultan Hasanuddin died at the age of 36 years. Just it's for me. Thanks for attention and thank you very much.